Ken had a tractor. Ken had a plan. Mud had a cruel humor. Ken got stuck in the paddock once, spun those wheels like a nervous dunce. So I brought a mighty truck on that day. In Japan, she set for sale. Up my game for a new play. So he bought a new one after that, a shiny Fergie, proud and fat. He made such a cluck, such a smug little speech, like my K-truck stayed beyond his reach. But I had waited, I had watched that rain, I had known that bog would call his name. Bit by bit, wheel by wheel, tension rose like a slipping seal.
Safe Ken,
Safe Ken,
safe Ken,
he got stuck again, there and then.
safe Ken,
Safe Ken,
safe Ken.
without my truck and a little pluck, he'd be stuck as stuck. Brave and loud, Mud just laughed and drew a crowd. He yelled, "No Smurf on a K-truck thing," then sank halfway by early spring. I rode in slow with a hero grin, hooked him up with a clanking spin. Bass went deep, strap went tight. Ken came out to it without a fight.
Safe Ken,
Safe Ken,
we got out in the end. Safe Ken,
Safe Ken,
mighty truck and perfect plug. We did it all again.
Ken climbed down and brushed his pride. Must stay thick but hope survive. He loved that Fergie, fair enough, but without my truck, he'd stayed well stuck.